Paramount Citrus is the world's largest vertically integrated citrus company. We've got about 47,000 acres in California, Texas, and Mexico. Really the biggest need for this facility was the additional volume that we had coming out of our orchards. I think one thing that was really key for us is really looking for a fully integrated system that would take our boxes off of our line, transport them to the palletizer, palletize it, ultimately take the pallet, stretch wrap the product, and have it prepared to go into our finished good warehouse. And we had a very aggressive timeline to get the project up and off the ground, so all of our vendors obviously had to perform at a very high level, and Intelligrated did that to make sure we hit the timeline that was in place. We've had nothing but great success with this project throughout the entire phase, from the design phase to the installation to the training of the employees. Intelligrated's done a great job, and we'll continue to use them in the future, and would definitely recommend them to others as well.